Hi and thanks for joining me today. And as you can see, I've got Amber with me today.
Hi.
If you are new to my channel, this is my daughter. She's just about to turn 16, and I brought her on here today because I was contacted from Protein World. They contacted me to see if I'd like to sample some of their products, and obviously I was definitely in for that. And if you have been following me, you'll know that Amber is quite keen at the gym. I go to the gym myself, but she's much more into the weights than I am. So protein is definitely a thing for Amber. So they have sent us some samples.
This is very nice.
Yeah, very nice. I've got the box here. I've just untaped it so I wouldn't be making that noise on screen. So we are going to unbox it. Let's get the camera down a little bit.
Where's the...
Oh, that's it. Pull that out there.
It's there we go.
Oh, nice. I'll hold the box, you take it out. And I must say, they were so quick at delivering this. I couldn't believe how quickly it came.
2 days, wasn't it?
Do you want to pop it out? Well, they were going to deliver it yesterday, but I wasn't going to be here, so I had to postpone it. But what's that one?
Ooh, double chocolate flavour porridge.
Oh,
that looks lovely.
Double chocolate. That's definitely up your street,
That
isn't
looks really
it?
nice. 201 calories, low sugar, high in protein.
So what are the
Instructions.
directions?
So you add 5 scoops of this to a bowl, and then you add 150 ml of water or milk. I'd probably use water. And then you put that in the microwave for 45 seconds. You stir it, and then you put it back in for 15 seconds. And that's your breakfast done. So it's really quick and easy.
So does it say the calories with water and calories with milk?
Oh yeah. 50 grams of this with 150 ml of water is 182 calories. And then the same amount with almond milk is 201. So I suppose if you use
you could use almond
milk, it'd be more.
Yeah, but I mean we've made porridge with almond
it's
milk,
really
so
nice, creamy.
that looks really nice.
It's
and
a big bag.
And what protein do you get out of a serving?
With water, let's say, because that's probably what I'd be having. Protein where it was. There's loads of vitamins. You've got vitamin A, D3, C, B1, all the way to B12.
Oh wow.
Protein. 12.6 grams.
12.6. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. That is, yeah.
And then 13.2 with almond milk.
And it's a limited edition. What flavour again? Chocolate. Double chocolate flavour.
I love chocolate.
Oh my god, that's definitely yours,
so
isn't
nice,
it? Yeah. Oh, right. Let's see what else is in here. You grab it out of there.
Oh.
Oh, what's that? I had to stop them because the dog was coming. So we'll ignore Daisy and just get on with what we're doing. So which one is this, Amber?
This one is a mug cake, and I think I'm most excited about this because I love mug cakes.
You do, don't you?
This one is white chocolate and raspberry flavour.
Oh, that sounds lush.
That sounds really nice.
And what's the directions?
The directions. So they say coconut oil, but I suppose you could use spray, but 1/4 of a teaspoon of coconut oil in a mug and then put that in the microwave.
Oh yeah, you can fry like your mug, couldn't you? Yeah.
And then you add 4 scoops of this into the mug cake mix. And then 3 scoops, because there's 2 scoops in here, so you do 3 yellow scoops of the mug cake and 3 scoops of almond milk. And then mix it and put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and you've got yourself a dessert, a snack.
Oh my god, that sounds
really
lovely.
nice.
And how many calories?
So 43 grams is a serving, and that's 126 calories.
That's not bad.
With only 2.8 grams of sugar and 7 grams of protein.
Oh wow.
That's really good, isn't it?
And they provided the scoops, I see, in the box as well. Yeah, in the box.
Oh, that looks really nice.
Yeah, so here are the scoops that they supply you with. So obviously, however many scoops they said for the product, you use the scoops that they give you.
Not only is this, well, not only does it look delicious, but it says on the back that it's ideal for a weight loss plan. And I googled the average calories for a chocolate mug cake. Of course, this is white chocolate. And the average calories are 820. And this is 126 for a serving. So that's saving you 694 calories in just one mug cake.
Oh my god.
So that, you know, that's a meal.
That is
isn't it?
amazing. That is brilliant. And also, you've had Protein World before,
yes.
haven't you? What have you had from there?
I've had their pancake mix. Now this is really, really nice.
You've got hardly any left.
I don't think there's any left actually. So you put, again, 4 scoops of this with 80 ml of almond milk, and you shake it, or I just whisk it. And then you put it in a pan and just, you know, cook until it's cooked. And it's so, so nice. It really is. It comes with chocolate chips as well. And that is 195 calories with how much protein? 8.2 grams.
I know you love them,
They
didn't you?
were so nice.
You really enjoyed them. And I think you got those, not that long ago, was it? But the good thing is, if you use my code that Protein World have sent me, you save 40%. 40%. I think that's amazing.
That's a great saving.
Absolutely amazing saving. And we need to save as much as we can now with everything going so expensive. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. And I know we certainly will be ordering with 40% off. So
that's great.
Yeah, if you've never tried Protein World and you've wanted to try it, now that definitely is the incentive to try it with 40% off. So I'll leave my code here on the screen, and I'll also put it down in the description box. But yeah, so on Saturday, Amber, she will be testing these and she will give you her honest review. So Saturday morning she will have the porridge for breakfast, and then she'll be going to the gym throughout the day, and she'll see how long it's keeping her nice and full and everything. And then I would imagine in the afternoon, or maybe as a pudding, you'll have the mug cake.
Yeah, that looks really nice.
That looks really nice. So I might just have, I will have a spoonful just to try, just so I can have my own review as well. But I do need to work out the signage on these really. But it's absolutely ideal for Amber with the gym. So thank you so much, Protein World. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so we look forward to trying it. Don't forget, 40% off.
And I just want to say, this is a really big bag. This is 1.1 kilos. This is 500. So saving 40% on that is really good, isn't it?
1.1 kilos.
Yeah,
That's massive. Yeah.
And these don't taste, you know, when you get certain protein shakes or bars, they've got a really gritty, quite nasty taste. But this is really, really nice. You wouldn't know that they're lower calories than any other pancakes.
Brilliant.
Really like them.
And that's what we want, isn't it? So yeah, I'll leave it on the screen, the code, and I'll leave it in the description box, and grab yourself 40% off. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.